So first of all, just click on your folder explorer icon, which is going to open the folder explorer. And on the left hand side, you will be able to see this option. It says OneDrive. So just right click on this OneDrive option. So just select this and then right click on the OneDrive option, and then just hover over OneDrive option here and then click on settings here. Okay. So once you click on the settings option, you will be able to see this window. Now in here, you just need to click on the unlink this PC option under accounts. Okay. So if you see settings here, you just need to select account and then click on unlink this PC, which is going to unlink your PC from OneDrive, right? Now, if you don't see this window by just right clicking on OneDrive, you can also see this icon here, which is for the OneDrive, and then you can click on the help and settings option and then click on settings, which is also going to open the same window. Or what you can do, you can also search for OneDrive in the search option. So you can see I search for OneDrive here and I can see OneDrive option, and you will be able to see the OneDrive open option. So when you click on open, you will be able to see the icon here on your taskbar. So to unlink this PC from OneDrive, I just need to click on unlink this PC option and then click on unlink, which is going to unlink this PC from OneDrive. And now you can see this option which says in order to set up OneDrive, you need to provide your email ID and password, right? So now my PC is unlinked from my OneDrive. So now when you hover over this OneDrive icon, you can see not signed in. So when you click on this option, you will see sign in. That means your PC is unlinked from OneDrive, right? If you also search for OneDrive, you will be able to see that when you click on open app, you see this option which says you need to provide your email ID to log in and sync your OneDrive with your PC. So let me also show you this, how you can link your PC to OneDrive. So you just need to provide your email ID. So once you have given your email ID, click on sign in and then provide your password and then click on sign in. And now you are signed in with your Microsoft account. So you just need to click on next here, and you see it says send optional data help to improve the app. I don't want to send it, so I will choose this one and then click on accept, and then I will just click on next here. I will use the same folder, and now I have some other option. I will say not now, next, I will say next here and then next, and then I will just choose later here. Okay. And then when I click on open my OneDrive folder, it's going to open the same folder for OneDrive, right? So it's usually your username and then /OneDrive. So this will change in your case and the path will be the same. Okay. So this is how you can link or unlink OneDrive on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.